Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Ultra Mesh Office Chair Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, arms, mechanism, gas strut, 5-star base, 5 casters, 4 20mm long bolts, Part C, 4 25mm long bolts, Part E, 4 35mm long bolts and 4 washers, Part F, 4 plastic bolt covers, Part G, and 1 Allen key. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Using the 4 20mm long bolts, Part C, attach the arms to the seat back. Each arm is marked underneath with L or R to indicate if it's left or right-handed. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Now insert the 4 plastic bolt covers, Part G. Next, slide the seat pad into the backrest with the arms fitted as shown, and attach using the 4 35mm long bolts and the 4 washers, Part F. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Next, attach the mechanism to the seat base using the 4 25mm long bolts, Part E, making sure the arrow on the mech is pointing to the front of the seat base. Once all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. With the help of another person, place the assembled seat onto the gas strut like this. Please keep your Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your Ultra Mesh office chair is complete. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.